All right, so how many of you use Netflix? How many of you have used things on Amazon.com? Okay.
I've gotten text messages from like Amazon, and they're like, your package is stuck somewhere. Enter your password and your username so we can fix it.
Heard of AI or used AI? Let me just see kind of.
I was researching for a project and I went on this website. It said allow notification. I clicked yes and I said your computer has been hacked. It was very scary.
You might not know who they are or like why they're chatting you.
What I felt at that moment was panic. It was scary. I just heard bing, 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 bing 24/7.
In our eyes, we want to start as early as we can with digital readiness because we do see more and more students who are targets, even at young ages. You know, they're getting devices at a much younger age, they're getting online at a younger age. So it's never really too early to start those conversations with what it means to be safe online. Teachers in our district are using Minecraft to teach online safety in a lot of different ways.
From start to finish, this job is incredible. I love the enthusiasm of the kids when they come in here.
Come on in, sit on the rug, tag race.
In Cyber Fundamentals, they're focusing specifically on like how to keep themselves safe online, but also actively protect themselves online. So when they start with lesson 1, it's like their digital footprint and password selection. Today we're going to talk about Minecraft and cybersecurity. It's USD's commitment to having kids really deeply understand and adhere to being a good digital citizen and understanding cybersecurity is really important to us. And so I think Minecraft for Education gives them that understanding through that gamified learning and play. Cybersecurity breaches. So before you go on to level 3, let's have a talk about that.
3, 2, 1.
Today we did the Cyber Safe AI lesson.
So some things you're going to learn about in this lesson, what the healthy boundaries are, the safe and ethical usage of AI, personal information protection, and then understanding the capabilities and actually also the limitation of AI. And Minecraft's going to give us the capability to kind of explore those choices in a safe environment.
The lesson we did today was all about AI safety and using AI for better and not for worse.
I love the Cyber Safe AI because I think cyber skills unlock for the students a sense of purpose and confidence.
3 things I've learned about staying safe online is to never share your passwords or any of personal information, like where you live or where you go to school. Also, all the people you interact with online, you also should know them in person.
I think it's so critical that students have these cyber skills in 2025 and beyond. That's the world that they live in. There's not going to be a school they go to or a job they earn in the future that's not going to depend on them being online and being aware.
I support the teachers with trying to pump it up, encourage it, hey, try something new. It's okay if it's messy a little bit. If you don't understand it, the kids will explain it to you. You got to be willing to play, right? I mean, after all, we're dealing with kids. We're in elementary school. We have to have some fun. Take some charge in your school and make sure your kids are prepared for what's out there.